And here we go. Now we're also online on YouTube. Woo. Hello, hi, and welcome. Hello, Artux. Hi, Steph. Hi, it's Seb. Hi, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing good. I just had a shower, so I feel refreshed. Started working again. What else happened? Nothing much. Nothing much happened. Yeah. Nothing happened, right? Nothing ever happens. I think I'm still waiting for today our boss, Miss Merkel. She's discussing with the cabinet and every high ranked politician. They're discussing what's going to be in the next couple of weeks. What do you mean no video? I'm sorry. Should I hide my face? I'm sorry. I'm gonna hide my face in a second. But yeah, I'm still waiting for the outcome of that. So that's somewhere on the side. No video about the shower. I would not that's going to be on my OnlyFans. That's strictly separated. So whoever wants videos on my with me showering, that's gonna be on my OnlyFans. Whatever that sound is. Yeah. Let's put some music on. Let's see, what do we have? Stations. Surprise me. Sure. Surprise me. That sounds like a plan. So there's some background music playing now through Streamlabs. I'll make it rather quiet. Yeah, I have continued a little bit. Not programming too much. Hi, King Broly. Hi, over there on Twitch. That's nice. Yeah, I've continued a little bit. Not too much. I'm gonna show you why did I put music on, because I need to show you anyway. It's not done yet. As always, nothing here is finished yet. It's all work in progress, but I have continued. And here is the... Shit, I should not have pressed on play. Here's the results. I haven't done much. I mean, it was time-wise, it was actually quite a lot of time. But it's not much content. Let me just do some small things here. Doozy spawn, let's make that maybe a solid 30-ish. Yeah. Improving Doozy Part 2. Yeah, that's the title of the video still, but I don't think I'm gonna work on Doozy today. Don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, now it's just freaking dark. So I've continued a little bit, and I made, you can already see it in the distance here. I built a little bit around the streets and stuff, improved that. So you can see already some street lights that guide the way. You can hear that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? What was this?
You're very close. Come out.
What is that? What was that? It's not much, but it's so much fun. Not the final product. As I always say, not the final product, but still something. That's the direction that it goes to. And you could slowly, you could quietly hear him already approaching you. Yeah, doing that. Wait, I gotta turn off my phone.
You're no fun. I'll get you next time. Bye.
So Doozy's got a voice now. Not the best voice, but that's all I have. Yeah, I prepared already for the next quest that we have, which is going back to the camp and visiting the cars. So we've got cars. It's not perfect. It's nice. I was having a lot of fun. I was having a lot of fun creating it, but it's not. It's far from done. I gotta turn off my flashlight.
You're no fun. I'll get you next time. Bye.
I am to Papa. I Master PSC. Kind of Pamela Anderson. No, not really. I've put some props here. I've put the light. I love the street light. Doozy, shut up. Doozy, shut up. Oh, wait. Wait. Did you just subscribe on Twitch? That's nice. Yeah, go over on Twitch. Twitch is better for streaming, so just go to Twitch. I just use both because I already have an audience on YouTube. On long term, I'm gonna switch over for streaming over to Twitch. That's long term, if everything works out as I plan. Let me just deactivate Doozy here. Oh, let's actually do like a test run. Nah, let's not do a test run. So I've done some things, right? I've done some things, but I want to have some story progression today. But first I want to show you what's going on. Just Twitch. My Twitch is Hegamol. It's the same. It's the same as on YouTube. Just search on Twitch Hegamol. Or what is Twitch? Twitch is an online streaming platform. The biggest online streaming platform there is, actually. Yeah. I just loved how this looks like. You see this? I just absolutely loved how horror game like this looks. And actually good horror game, I would say. Oh my god, what's going on with the YouTube subscriptions there? Okay, that's gonna ring for a minute there. Don't worry about it. Look at this. I just loved. I spent some time actually making it pretty here. God damn it, notifications, shut up. And I love the outcome. It really looks like a horror game here already. Yeah. The phone plan should be Hega Mega. I can add that. That's just a voice. That's just a text. Yeah, I've added the cars, and the cars are going to play a role in today's video, in today's stream. But first, let's go to the street. I just love this. Looks really like a horror game. I just love it. It's now improved. Like riding on the street is now improved a little bit because you have those outside boundaries that you can see, and you also have those stations where you know there's stuff there. Like I can make a left here and go to that side of the that side road here. Yeah. Or I also know, hey, this is I haven't done this yet, so yeah, there's no way. Also here, now I know, oh, I can go to the left. So it's more, like the progression through the game is more guided now. It's way nicer than before. Yeah, there's also no way here. I just love how it looks like. I just... Of course I love it, because I built it. Is that manhole Dean comfort? I don't think so. Let me check again, let me check that manhole. No, it's not. It's not, no. Look at me just walking when I'm on the scooter. I love it. Not gonna change that though. I can't even get off the scooter unless I exit the road. Whoops. Yeah, the scooter, of course, it's still clipping. Everything is clipping. It's perfect. That's how I want it to. That manhole cover is not. But I think I want to do something with those as well at some point. I still remember when I thought this project is gonna be like 3 weeks maximum. It's more like 3 years. But hey, after 3 years, we're gonna have a good product. So this way. What else did I do? I basically did those things, right? The Doozy a little bit, and also the road. I haven't done much more. Just details here, details there. They take a lot of time. Making details, like the animation of Doozy is not done, but it's still more detailed than before. That just takes time, and no need to do that on stream or anything. But it takes a lot of time. I still love this one. This one is my favorite. This looks so freaking awesome. But he doesn't do shit yet. You're dead. Just push him away. You're dead now. Okay. Let's get to the stuff that I actually wanna do today. Which is, I don't know. Boink, boink. Which is here. Which is good old, what was his name? David. Yeah, good old David. That's the next thing. We have to, like, after Doozy in the shack here, after we finish that sequence, we're going out, and then there's David, and David will tell us, hey, let's go to the car. Maybe our friends are at the car already. I don't have another idea. So that's when we're going to the car, and Doozy's gonna attack us a couple of times on the way. Yeah, I also heard that about the manhole covers in Cyberpunk, yeah. They used German ones, but those are not the correct ones. those are not the ones you use on those streets, on these streets, because it's, what was it? They are not laid out for a weight heavy enough for cargo. They are only used for like, or not even for cars. They are for on the sidewalk or something. It's ridiculous, but the people weren't really complaining. That's just nitpicking. Okay, good old David here. Good old David will guide us through the woods. Like, we're going back to camp and we're going to walk there. Right, we're going to walk there. So what I need to do is I'll make another quest. Will I? Yeah, let's make this a quest. I don't have any quests here, I think. Oh no, I do. Locations slash quests. Okay, so what I want to do is at the parking lot, he is going to go here with us, right? He's going to lead us. Like, he will be like, let's go there. Maybe our friends are there, so I definitely need something that is here. Let's just create an empty. Let's make it a sphere. It doesn't matter. Just gonna go here, right, with him somewhere. I could have taken the manhole cover, but no. Nah. David goal. Wait, I gotta give that quest a name. What quest do we already have? Quest 20. Quest 20. Did I really call it? It doesn't matter. New folder. Quest 0. Let's make it 30. It doesn't matter. Let's make this one 20. The other one I'll change later. Parking lot. David. So we gotta go to the parking lot with David. That is our next quest. And that is quest 020. Okay. Hi, Flying Dutchman 78. Hi, test. Yeah, the test went through. Good job. Quest 020 parking lot goal. David. So this is where David. I figured that it was you, because you said on YouTube like, oh, what's that? And you tried it out. See, that's easy. Twitch is just the best streaming platform, I gotta say. I love YouTube as well. It works now fine, but I'm having more troubles on YouTube. But I already have an audience, so yes. So that's where he will go. So I'm gonna boinka this. Let's leave it on for now. Doesn't matter. Let's give it another material. David. Waypoint. That's the word I was looking for. Waypoint. Make that transparent. Give it another. Oh, that is an HDRP material. I have not worked with HDRP materials. Whoops. No idea how those work. How do I make the alpha? Is it still transparent if I do this? I haven't worked with those. I'm using them now because they just look fantastic. But I haven't worked with them. So I don't know. Sometimes I just don't know things as well. That basically goes here. And then this is where David goes. Yes. Now I'm going to spread some points. Just points that he is going to go through. Right? Go to. Or is he? Or is he just going to say, hey, I'll meet you there? No. It's quite far. It's actually quite far. It's going to take a couple of minutes to go there. Let's do some things on the way. Aha, some jump scares on the way. That's a good idea. Good job. Good job. Camp parking lot. Let's call it WP for waypoint David goal. I just want to have some naming convention here that I understand later on. I don't think so. I think you need admin rights. I can promote you if you want, but I think you need to be promoted. Hi Sarvesh, Ubisoft should sponsor it. Yeah, let's blow it up. Let's make new Ubisoft. They should know about it and then they're gonna sponsor it. Yeah. Good idea. Can I just do this and now it's oh, are you kidding me? PL for parking lot. No, parking. Maybe you can try. At least Hartux should and I should be able to see it, and then we can maybe maybe we can then. Oh yeah, you can. Okay, that's interesting. I can deactivate it. I think I have it activated. Why Horror Spoon? Because I started this before Halloween, and I thought, hey, let's make a horror game to Halloween, so it's done at Halloween. I, well, didn't finish it in time. Yeah. Maybe we should also be able to choose going this path or this path. We can't really choose, no. Going here first. Let's test that. This is the first goal that we go to. And now I'm just gonna put some around everywhere. I'm just gonna put some. Going pretty much the direct way. And there's gonna be maybe some locations, maybe some jumpy scares. Under here somehow, yeah. I think right now it will, he could walk through a couple of things. I have to make them static, but I will. Details again. I'm already thinking ahead. Let's stand in the middle of the road. Doesn't matter. There's no one here anyway. And then there's the goal. So he's gonna follow these points, right? We have to set a speed. We have to give him an AI. We actually have to give him an artificial intelligence, which is pretty simple. You just drag and drop a thing on him. Yes. Okay. Good. That's the goal for today. By the way, that's the goal that I want to achieve today, is to have that done so that he guides us to the... or that we guide him. We go together with him to the... what's it called? To the car lot. To the parking lot. Yes. Test version. I love it that I have a script called test version. No idea what I'm doing. Hey! Now I see your follow coming in. Did you just follow right now? I thought you already followed a couple of minutes ago. I didn't see it. So let's give that a name. That is quests. What did I say? 020? David. Yeah. Quest 020, David. Where does that go? There. Oink. Intro. Here. So just pushing around a couple of things here and there. The goal. What is this? Yeah, that doesn't work. Of course, I know. Where did the script go? Why is it still there? What the shit? Saves and tests. Version. Yes. Huh? Did I push it in somewhere else? Where did I put it? Where is it now? Oh no, did I? There, okay, good. Oh, I lost it. I lost it for a second. Yeah, YouTube is not really a streaming platform. It kind of is, and since PewDiePie started streaming on it, it's got a lot of viewers on it, but it's not optimized. It's definitely not optimized. I can do a lot more things. As a streamer, I can do a lot more things on YouTube, on Twitch. Okay, so we've got the script now, and we got a code. It's coding time. It's coding time. Everyone loves some good coding time. So what I can basically do is copy and paste. Cheers to copy and paste. From the intro quest. From the intro quest. What do you hate, Supoon? Can't just say you hate it. You gotta specify what it is. Isn't it Erica? No, Lake. Oh, that's the one. Then we have Jessica. And I will just copy and paste from Jessica. Oh, you hate coding? No, coding is awesome. Coding is awesome. Yeah, no, I also mean it sarcastically. Whenever I code, whenever I just type in code, no one really listens. I think that's what I would do. But it's important for programming. That's an important fact. That's an important part. Yeah, my videos, like the quality rose in the tier videos, but the content really. Yeah, I was pushing out content. I was forcing out content in the end a little bit. Or on the later videos. So what is this? What? Oh, that's the script I want to copy from. That's some epic music, isn't it? Sounds a bit like Pirates of the Caribbean. Why though? You have fun coding. That's great. So here we have Jessica, right? And Jessica is already done, right? Jessica is the one that we have already done. So I will just copy and paste because we can talk to Jessica in the tutorial, right? In the first lake sequence, we can just talk to her and then she follows a path. And that's basically the same thing that happens with David. Not 100%, but almost. Let's do it. So David will need some AI. Definitely. Copy, paste. That's gonna take some time here. This stuff, yeah, sure, why not? I don't know yet, but sure. David will also need waypoints. First he goes to this waypoint, then he goes to that waypoint, then there, and stuff, right? So he needs those. Yes. He needs a navmesh agent. Yes, that is the component that the artificial intelligence uses. That is the map. That is basically the map. And that needs an intelligent map. It needs to go to the target. It needs to go to a rotation. Yeah, it needs to have a rotation. Animator. He needs an animator. Yeah, sure. That's the important things for now. So I'll just copy the important things and the rest we will figure out as we go. That's quite some epic music here. Yes. And of course then there's details, but those will be later on. He also needs an audio source, but I will do that in the second. I won't do audio today, probably. Not 100% sure, but don't want to do it. Then talked to. That is a variable that I use in this case, just to know Has it been initialized? Like, has he been talked to? Sure. Is it the music that goes like... I hate it. Don't do that. Chill piano. Ah, please. Yes. Love it. Hi, Aklad. Hi. Okay. Okay. How did Jessica work again? Face target. Sure, we need the face target function. Okay. Do you see how complicated Jessica already was? How much code is this? 174 lines of code. David will need more. So there's a lot of programming involved now. Set waypoint? Sure, do I need this? I guess so, but I don't take it right now. Face target. That is just a function that he... in the standard artificial intelligence... The component, the person, in this case, David, would just go from point A to point B. He wouldn't face it, I think. That's why I have this additional face target function here. Hi, Vibestack. Hi. Yeah, let's take it. I think it's not necessary, actually, but I'll take it. It doesn't harm anyone. I think I don't... really need it. I think I should stop thinking. Yeah, I should stop thinking. Yeah. Definitely a good idea. So face target is being executed all the time in the update. That's the first thing in the update. Yes, please take it. Next thing. What is the next thing that we... If we're talking to him, then we're starting a dialogue. Yeah, that makes sense. Turn off text? What is turn off text? Where is it? Is it somewhere here? Where is turn off text? What is turn off text for function? Where do I have that? What is that thing? Oh my god, this project is rather big, actually. Let's copy and paste. We'll see. We will see what it does. Is it still there? No, dialogue can't work. Turn off text is a thing. Oh, it is in interactable. It is in the parent object, actually, in here. Turn off text. Okay. Got it. Dialogue 1. So we're first going to trigger a dialogue. Sure. That's all navmesh stuff. We need that later on as well. Sorry that Pretzel Rocks now spams with the music that I'm listening to, but that's the thing. Don't read. Just don't read that. Dialogue. Yes. So we could play sound and stuff, but no, let's see. Let's take the region with us. Okay, that's a lot of stuff we don't have yet. Which is the animator we might need and the audio. I won't have audio right now. I might add it. I will add audio later for him. Right now, no. Not going to happen. Don't need this anymore. Oh yeah, sure, why not? Hi, Sapoon. You're very welcome. You're very, very welcome. And not talk to, then... he's not going to be interactable anymore. We're going to turn off text, whatever that means. And dialogue 1 is going to play, which is here. And then he's going to say stuff. David is going to say stuff. What is David going to say? Which OB should I use for multifunction detection, which occurs for very short... Malfunction detection? I don't know. OB 50 something, I think. I can't remember, Aklad. OB Siemens S7. I'm just looking that up right now. Organisationsbausteine. Do we have a list? Yeah. You could use... What do you have? Malfunction. Depends on the malfunction. There could be many malfunctions. Do you just mean like a hardware error? Then it would be OB84. You can just Google it. You can just Google it, and it's in German right now, the list I have, but you will just get a list if you just Google that, and you get a name. Look, you get the names, you get the functionality that they have. But error OBs are OB80. They all start with 8. 80. Or 8 something. Hi, Alexandra. You're very welcome. Okay. Dialogue 1 is going to play. David is going to say something. He's going to say, so what now? And color. What is color? What did I say? What? Is that a text color? What text color does David have? Oh my god, I don't know. No, the sensor analog voltage is not a hardware error. What you want for a sensor analog voltage is a process error. OB40, OB41, OB42. You can use any OB for something. What was David? Give me David's color. Is it? David's color is blue, I say. And David's color is blue. Yes. I mean, that's a detail, but... So, color's going to be blue, and then we're going to invoke a second dialogue line, which is this. I should have done that more efficient, but now it's like this. I won't change it. I won't change it. I think they all have the same scanning time. What do you mean scanning time? They don't have a scan time. That's not how all organization blocks work. They are interrupt routines. As soon as the event happens, they're going to be executed. They don't wait for anything. There's a whole interrupt routine behavior behind. Yeah, so just some dialogue. This is just... So I'm just putting in some dialogue that I can always change later on. But I'm just going with my guts right now. So they was like, so what now? And a bit like this. So what now? How am I supposed to know? Maybe the others are back at the camp. Maybe by the cars waiting. And no color for myself. I think the player himself, herself, whatever, has no color. That sounds strange, but the text has no color. Okay, dialogue 3. Love ya. You're welcome. I mean, I can't give many hints, but that should have helped a little bit, hopefully. David is gonna say something again. Why is there an exclamation point? Oh, because I didn't delete it. That exclamation point doesn't make any sense. Uh, At least I cannot think of anything else. Let's go! And then he just goes, like, then he just starts, like, he just goes off. And then we have dialogue 4. I'm just gonna call all of these dialogue. I don't care. Even though it's not a dialogue. And in dialogue 4, he is going to go to the first waypoint. Right? He's gonna turn around, he's gonna go there, he's gonna die horribly. Yeah. And that also will trigger Doozy. Like Doozy cannot spawn until now. That will trigger Doozy to spawn. Doozy can spawn from now on. You just have to program it. Yeah, I just have to put in code. That's this, that's this, that's this, that's idle time, that is set waypoint there. So I need to also get the set waypoint. Set waypoint variable correctly here. Set waypoint, I don't have the function. I will also have to take the function from here, which I gladly will. Yoink. Navmesh, yes, navmesh set destination to next target dot position. That next target is not evaluated. No, it is. It's this one. Okay, perfect. And then we've got an animator, which I don't have yet. And the target is going to be the next target. See? That's it. For now. That should already work. I guess. How am I going to test it? I know. There's no problem at all in testing it because I can just go here? I don't know. 200. I have to attach it to David. I almost forgot to attach it to the person here. And there we go. Interactable icon. Why are the naked men here? I think I had such a speech bubble or something. What did I take for the others? Like, I usually take a speech bubble, I guess? This one here. I can unlock? No. God damn it. I gotta go and check it out. It is icon message. It's just called icon message. Okay. There we go. That's easy. Icon message. I will definitely mess this up and forget it in a second, but icon message, icon message, icon message. David, give me the icon message. There we go. Message. There we go. That makes sense. He is interactable, and then speak to David. Speak with David. Yeah. Okay. So he will need a couple of things that got David that I will have to copy and paste from what is her name? Jessica. So let's visit Jessica in the intro. That is far away. Why is it so far away? Why is that so far away? Why is everything so far away? Why is everything so far away? God damn it. Mannequin Lake. That there is Jessica. So here's Jessica. She's got a lot of things here on the right side, as you can see that I'm scrolling through right now. And those things I will need to attach. I'll just make a screenshot of what she has. Save that. I'll need another one. Oh, it's just a never. What? There's nothing else? Sounds wrong, but okay. Why is she not, why is she untagged? Why is she on the default layer? Didn't I make a layer that is like interactable? Why wouldn't I? Why? What? Why? Am I stupid? Guess I'm stupid. There we go, David. What else do you need? I just need to open the picture I just took. Shouldn't be too difficult. So David is layer interactable. How's Jessica on the default layer? That should not... That doesn't work. This is interactable. Everything is on the interactable. I mean it works, so who am I to judge? Very, very strange. So he's got an animator already. That's good. He needs a rigid body. He needs a collider. He's got this already. He has the script. He just needs a nav mesh agent. He's a humanoid. He will get a speed. He will get a speed, but we will also make his speed dependent, like the same as the player speed. Let's make it. What's the player speed? It's 3 and 5. Yeah. Let's make it 4, so that he's a little bit fat. I could adapt it depending on if the player's running or not, but no. Details. That's details. I don't care about details right now. That's okay. Pathfinding. Okay. Box color. Is that it? Yeah. That's it. Don't need anything else. Interesting. That's the nav mesh. The animator will go in here as well. I don't need to link it like this. I could link it with the scripting, but nah. Target, he doesn't care, right? Oh, he cares. It's the player. So if it's the player, he always stares right at the player. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. He just needs the waypoints. We need to teach him the waypoints. Where did I put them? Camp parking lot? Did I put them there? Yeah. Is that the first one? First, second, third, and so on. Yeah, okay. Got him. Programming is complicated. If you don't pay attention, you will not know what is going on. How many are those yet? 5. So let's make it 5. And let's give that here. Hi, Gordon. Hi. That goes in there. That goes in there. And that goes in there. That should already kind of work. I don't know. It feels like I'm missing something big here. We'll see. Why does he spawn? Stop spawning, you idiot. Why didn't I deactivate all the monsters yet? Boink. It doesn't spawn anymore. It won't annoy me. I beat the game. God damn it. Now those things are in my way. Great. I'm glad I put them there. Can I just walk? Yeah. At the sea shack? Okay. Oh yeah, he's pointing at us. He's kind of floating, which is odd. Oh yeah, but he faces us. He's like facing the target. That's okay. If we speak to him, what should happen? We should have this dialogue, and then he should just go to the waypoint. Why did I put a space there? Let's go, and now he should just go away, yeah. I'm a little bit faster than him right now because I have the 200 speed buff. But you see, the animation definitely, he's still walking through things. Why did he walk through this tree? He shouldn't. He should avoid obstacles already. Hi, Tony. To make the demo, I don't know. Probably already 40, 50 hours or something. A lot of time already. Mostly because I'm streaming it. Mostly because I'm like, let's do this today, let's do that, and explaining and just talking to people. That stretches it a lot. Okay, look at this. He walked here and everything's fine. So we're gonna give him walking animations. We're gonna give more stuff and this and that. Yeah. Okay, good. It worked. That's the thing. That's what I wanted to test. It worked. There were still some things very strange. What was strange? Why is he floating? That's one thing. Because of the box collider. Is the box collider too big? Yeah, he's floating because of box collider. Probably? Is that it? Whoops. Hey, give me the ISO view. Why don't... What? Give me this view. Yeah, thank you. Front? What? Oh, because he's not in the correct dimensioning right now. In the axis. He's not staring right down the axis that I want him to. Is he still floating? I mean, it could have to do with the setting of his artificial intelligence. I think that's more. Because his AI here has probably something like called height. I will see that in a second. I'll test it. Man, I used this thing once, so I have no idea what's going on. Go somewhere. Go here. Where are we? We're in the lake now. Oh, right. That's one thing that people wrote that I have already tested it, downloaded it on itch.io. Not itch.io, but GameJolt. That you can just go in the lake, and I'm like, yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't take care of that yet. So he's still floating. David, why are you still floating? Can I just change the height? No, I can't. Base offset? Is that it? Ah, the base offset, yeah. He's got this offset, like... He can fly. What offset do you need, David? Something like that? That looks okay. 0.28. Minus 0.28. He needs this. Boink. Now he doesn't float anymore. That's good. Dialogue was kind of okay. Animations. He needs animations. Yeah. That's the thing. Animations are a thing that exists, and we need to kind of deal with them. So he needs a walking animation. Or is it jogging? Is it running? I think he just gets a jogging animation. I'm sorry for my mic. I need a new microphone. So let's do the Mixamo route. So mixamo.com, where we can get those characters free, copyright free, everything perfect. I just need to log in with my login that you're not supposed to see. That's why I'm hiding it. There we go. I first have to find him. What was his name? What was the character's name? NPC. Friends? David? How his real name is really David. Didn't even rename him. Because it's suited. So we've got David. And now we just gotta see his walking animation through the woods. What should we do? Walk? He could do this all the time. Why is he staring down? David, stop. Stop staring down. Could just do that. Just prancing. Ah, I'm pretty. Oh yeah, this definitely. I want him to have a walker. Yeah, he's an old man now. Did you know? Going with a gun. Oh, that would be fantastic. Ooh, I want this later on. Stuff like this. Maybe. No. We don't have time for it. No, I want like jogging. We could have just a casual walking animation. It doesn't fit. Right? I want a jog. Do we have jogging? Jogging. That's female jogging? That probably doesn't. I mean, it's not too bad. That's okay. But he won't run, right? He won't run. He doesn't. There's no need for him to run. So jogging is okay. But not female. Where do we have male? I mean, run. That looks stupid. That kind of fits. Kind of fits. Oh, that one is cool. That one I want for later on. That one I want for later on, I think. Dribble? Is that with a soccer ball? Is that... Yeah, it's that dribble. Okay. Running. I mean, that one is okay. Yeah, that's just a nice jog. Look at this. That's just a nice jog. I'll take this one. This one is okay. This one? A bit slouchy, a bit slouching here. It's okay. I'll take this one. We're not gonna be able to see it too much in the night, in the dark anyway. But that is a nice jogging animation. Fuse doesn't exist anymore, it's Seb. Adobe Fuse does not exist anymore. They have taken it down, I think, last year or so. Unfortunately. But they want to add more on Mixamo. And they want to make something new. I haven't really looked into it. But I think Adobe Fuse they took down. You can still use it, yes. I also have a version that I can still use. But it's basically like... It's an old version and they're not going to work with it anymore. And it's just... It just doesn't work. Knee height. Oh, yeah. That's it. No. I love this one. This one was okay. Overdrive. Overdrive. Nothing. Oh, give me that slow-mo. Oh, yeah. No. Speed? I mean, a bit less speed is okay, right? Because it's just jogging. That's okay. Like, having less speed, because we're not running anywhere. We're right now just walking fast. We're just jogging. Yeah, we don't have anywhere to be that fast. I mean, we want to get away, but we're not running. Yeah. I think that's fine. Filmbox binary. I don't even know what Filmbox binary is. I'll take it. They had an update. Like this Mixamo had an update the last month or so. I don't know what that update did. I'll keep Mixamo open for maybe later on. Animations, idle, kicking, moving, scores. He's already got quite many animations. And now he's gonna have one more, which is running. There we go. I want this to loop. Thank you, that's it. Boink. I don't want to call it running. It's actually jogging, right? It's running. I will have a second run probably where he runs faster, but we'll see. Okay. There we go. We just need... David has an animator. This animator has an animation controller. David to car, where he has just this. Standing idle. Standing idle start. Standing idle start, and then he will go over to another state, and that is running, right? Standing idle. Let's say standing idle. That new state is running, and we'll get a new motion. That new motion is, of course, the running motion here. Let's see if that works. You can see it bottom left corner. Now he's standing idle in the beginning. He should be running, and then he's going, yeah. So it works. Okay. The only thing that is left to do here is also give it a variable that triggers that animation, which is running. And is running is true, we're going to run. If is running is not true anymore, we are going to go back to standing idle, which we don't need right now, but let's already have that prepared for later on. Okay. That's good. All that's left to do is to put that in here, because we already have the animator David, and as soon as he starts... as soon as he... we don't need that here. Starts walking. I do want him to start running as well. That is going to look a little bit stupid because he starts running when he's already... whoops. The animation will already play when he's turning around, but nah, who cares? Animator, oops. Animator David, god damn it. Dot set boolean value is running to true. Whoops. Huh, whatever that is. Don't want that here. Okay. So we have made some changes. What do you always do when you made some changes? Huh? It's testing time, everyone's favorite time. Let's play the game. Yeah, I'm sorry with the spam in the music. I cannot deactivate it, I think. I would have to buy premium, but I still want to have... Let's see. But I still want to have music on. Yeah. It can't be disabled with premium. And I cannot put any other music on because everything nowadays is freaking copyrighted. That's copyrighted as well, probably, but if I would only be streaming on Twitch, I wouldn't mind, because Twitch doesn't care. But YouTube does. Let's test it. Let's test. Thank you, thank you. Oh, that green blob here. That's strange. Let's not mess that up. Where do I need to go? Q. So what now? How am I supposed to know? Maybe the others are back at the camp. Maybe by the cars waiting. Could be. At least I cannot think of anything else. Let's go. That worked out well. David, you're kind of in the ground, you know? Oh. Why? Ah, David, I lost you. I lost you, David, but I know you will go here. Why is he the way he is? God damn it, I fucking hate this. Why is he so small? David, why did you... God damn it, I hate this. Why did you do that? That's, by the way, that's the most annoying thing on when I'm streaming and testing this. That I cannot basically use my second screen here. I usually have the game on a second screen, so I can always easily switch over in between. I have it on the same, like I can see it at the same time. Can't do that here, which is a bit annoying, I gotta say, but that's the worst. That's the worst thing that is there. Is it because of your box collider? How did he go in the ground? That does make sense. Huh. That might be on Twitch, okay. I mean, I can also just turn it off, but nah. So now you can't see it. That's what I mean. Now I've got it on the side on the game and you can see it. You can see what I'm testing. But you should be able to see me in a second. I'm approaching him. That's odd. Look at me, floating cell phone guy. Love it. How do I put it away there? So now, eat my phone, bitch. Don't go to into the ground again, please. Wait. Tony, no. Not really. I think I even started programming this before the Phasmophobia hype. Is this where he would be? Yeah, this is where he would be. You can't see what I'm doing now off screen. It's off screen. Why is he in the ground? David, why are you the way that you are? That's you. Let me try pushing you up a little bit. Oh, you don't want to. Okay. Base offset 0. Now base offset 0 is good. Is the animation broken, the other one? Huh. Oh, no. No. I know when he started moving down, like when he started moving, I know. It has to do with the Does it have to do with the animation? That's a good hint. It's maybe not even the animation. Oh no, it worked the first time. It worked the first time, so it has to be the animation. Because that's the only thing we changed. It has to be. It has to be the animation. Look rotation viewing vector is 0. Sure, why not? I don't care if a vector is 0. That's fine. It's just a dot then. I don't care. You should see me any minute now. I'm approaching the camp. There I am. Look at me. Woo, I can teleport. Did you know? I'm just moving so fast. It looks like I'm teleporting, but I'm not. Speak with him. It might be the terrain. That's what I also thought. Yeah. I might just have to redo it. But now I deactivated the animator, so to make sure it's not the animation. So if he now disappears in the ground again, it's not the animation. It's not the animation. The strange thing is when I put the offset to 0, that's perfect. Like the offset to 0, that's how it should be. So I think the other thing is broken. Wait. No, it's not. It might be the terrain. I don't want to... the problem is I think my Unity is a bit broken, so I cannot view the terrain. Can try. Usually you can see the... That's the camp. No, that's not where I want to go. You can somehow see the terrain, like the agent, the grid, so to say. But I don't know how and why. Gizmos, is it there? Animation, cards. Nav mesh. Mesh collider. Nav mesh agent. Mesh collider. No. Nav mesh agent is active. So I should be able to see it. It could also be off here in the layers. No. Why can I not see my nav mesh? Cannot see nav mesh Unity. Nav mesh doesn't show up even though it's working, yeah. It is active. Navigation yeah, that's exactly the problem I have, okay. Is the ground set static? No, it works. Try the nav mesh is... Turning gizmos on. I've got the gizmos on. That's what I just checked. Just gonna rebake. Okay. Turning on gizmos. Of course turning on gizmos helps. That's what it is. Gizmos button. I know, but I know the clipping through trees. That's another thing that I mentioned before. Wait a second. Gizmos. Oh no, fucking hell. Gizmos are on. Gizmos were off. Ah, fucking stupid. Why would that? Okay, I'm stupid. I gotta press that button. I thought because there's a checkbox here, I thought it's on. No, I gotta... fucking hell. Good. But it looks okay. Not gonna lie, it looks okay. He clips through the trees because of this. Do you see this? This is where a tree was before, and this is where the tree is right now. So he avoids those points, but he doesn't avoid the trees. What I will do is the following. There's this bake button. This bake button rebakes those spots because I've changed the tree positions. I was repositioning everything, making everything a little bit nicer. I would just rebake this, which is going to take a minute or two. And I will go and take a quick break. You can observe the progress down at the bottom right there. You see that bar, that blue bar? That builds up slowly, and that's baking it. I will be back in a minute. I will also turn off the music because it's freaking annoying. The spam in the chat is annoying because I don't see the chat anymore. And I will be back in 1 or 2 minutes, and I hope the baking is done, and then we see a better result. I already know how to put that scrap trap Easter egg in there. Yes, there will be one, but not working on it now. Okay, did the nav mesh finish yet? No. Okay, while it is still baking. While it is still baking, switching over. It's gonna take like 5 minutes probably to more, even though the graph was almost done. Switching over for just 1 or 2 minutes here until it's done. I have it on the side. Let me put that on the side so I know when it's done. And I see when it's done when everything turns blue for me. Yeah. I have been playing just 1 or 2 minutes. Don't you worry. I'm going to gaming now, just for 1 or 2 minutes. I have been high-ranking games. I'm gonna continue programming in a short amount of time, but I just want to show you what I've done with. I still play too much Oxygen Not Included. I love this game. Best game ever. My favorite game 2019. My second favorite game 2020. Yeah, second favorite it is. Not favorite 2020, but still overall best game 2020, second best game. God damn it. It's loading. And the other one is still loading as well. So, because I'm going to stream pretty soon, probably another episode, the final last episode of oxygen not included, where we're going to finish the game. Right? There's basically one way to really finish it. There's a second way to like kind of to have a final sequence. There's like a sequencing, and it's gonna show like it's gonna show then. It's gonna there's a video in the end, a short outro. The first short outro will show when you finish the monument, and I just gotta put a head on. I've got everything that I need for it, probably. So I can show that. I don't. Oh, because it's paused. I don't have any. No, I've got everything. So I could just put that on there and we could see a sequence. The second thing is reaching the highest, most far away thing here. The temporal rift, the so-called temporal tier. And I am about to build my airship fleet. Right? There is almost my airship fleet. I've got 2 spaceships. Right? And I'm slowly getting the better stuff for it. So pretty soon I'm going to stream this last episode there. Right. Yeah, soon. But now let's get back, because everything turned blue. I will just click on that link for now. I understand you with your Scrap Trap obsession. You're obsessed with Scrap Trap. I still gotta put that in here. Skip. That's so much. That video is so long. Nah. Oh yeah, I've seen that actually. I've seen that before. Boink. Okay, back to the real thing. There we go. Now it's blue. And you see the blue path. This is where David and every AI, every artificial intelligence in the game can go. You see? Like, he cannot go between the trees here, for example. And he will keep some distance between, like, from the trees. Because I told the game he has a radius, right? So, yeah. That's quite nice. He will also not run through bushes. Because he's not stupid. And now he's going to avoid those. He's not going to avoid probably, the street barriers here. You can still walk through these. Because I haven't flagged those as so-called static. I would have to, up here there's a button, I have to flag them as static. Which I will do, not now. Yeah. I should have done that before baking, actually. But okay. Done. That did not change the navigation, because now I have to rebake. That's why baking is annoying. It takes a long time. That's one reason why you need a strong PC for programming. Because you need to bake, and then it takes 5 minutes, and then you rebake, and you need to bake again, and that's freaking annoying. I'm just changing some things that I already see. While I'm at it. I know I should do it right now, but while I'm at it, I'm doing it. I don't care. What are you gonna do? Sue me? Please don't. Here also those cars, for example. He can still walk through cars and stuff. And the monsters can as well. They should not be able to. It wouldn't be fair. My PC is not too strong anymore. I'm thinking about upgrading it pretty soon. As soon as GeForce RTX 3080s are available again, I will upgrade probably my whole PC or something. But they are not. Let's check it out. GeForce RTX 3080. Hey, no. They just don't exist. But I want one. I want one of those. Hi, Super Hash Boy. Hi. It's still kind of strong, but old. It was really, really strong 3 years ago, 4 years ago. It's already quite old for a PC. Okay. Now I should rebake to actually see if that stuff really happened. But no. I don't want to. I don't want to. Let's make that static as well. Let's make those static as well. Oh, they are already. Oh, so those fences were static, so they are already flagged as static, as you can see here. I've got a GeForce 1080. 1080, so it's not too weak. It's actually good. Hi, Ali. Hi. Everything's great. Everything's good. Or as the Lego movie would say, everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome. Da 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 da. Your messages don't appear. I don't know. I'm sorry. I cannot control the YouTubes. I cannot control the chat. I cannot. There were a lot of error messages. I just clicked on. Be gone. They're gone now. Okay. By the way, that all of that did not solve any of our problems because we still have David here. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Gizmos? I want gizmos always on. Why do I not always have gizmos on? God damn it, I'm stupid. Yeah. Super Hash Boy. That is one one reason why I actually started doing this. But now I'm having too much fun programming on my own. I definitely will put like a Unity tutorials on this. But at first I want to be an expert before I do tutorials. So yeah, I got it. It's there. It's there. Put some bikini girls. Just for the fan, what is it called? Fan service? Yeah, for the fan service, definitely will. Oh, this is so much better with the gizmos. Why did I have gizmos off? I'm an idiot. And now we see the problem. Why is this happening? Why is that down there? Probably because of the offset. Let's put that to 0. Okay. Now that offset is fine. Question is... Okay, I see it. Do you see it? The collider here needs to go pretty much the same place. Yeah. That's okay. Problem should be solved. I am happy now having those things off. Those things on. The gizmos. Why did I ever turn gizmos off? There's definitely going to be bikini girls for you. Wait. We already have Jessica. Wait. That's for you. Ali. Here, wait. You missed it. You probably missed it. I don't know if you've been there. I'm just going back to it. I'm just paying it a revisit. In the Sea Shack? Oh, look at all the gizmos. Probably that's why I turned them off. God damn it. Wait, where's Jessica? Oh no, do I still have Jessica? No, Jessica picture? Yeah, there she is. Look at Jessica. Look at her. Look at how she's sitting here with her. She's probably a minor, so no. No, she's not. She's 21. Yeah, she's 21, definitely. Look at this. Yeah, we've got her in the bed and stuff. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, awesome, isn't it? Let's turn her back off. Okay, good. Great. I'm glad I revisited this. That was the most fun stream, probably. When I did that, it was the stupidest, but it was so much fun. Testing time. Boinkers. Let's test. Gordon, don't even look. Gordon, look away. I've got a capture card, King Broly. I have a capture card, yes. I don't need to check Amazon. I've got one. After all, I'm a professional streamer. Yeah, professional. Yeah. That's what I am. But I have a streaming card. Not using it. Because... No. A streaming card basically only makes sense when you're streaming... When you want to stream another device. It doesn't really matter. It has almost no functionality right now when you're using the same PC for streaming and for gaming, and for programming. I'm doing everything in one machine. I don't really need the streaming card. It's not... doesn't give me any advantage. Because of the following. NVIDIA GPUs. NVIDIA GPUs do this here. They do video encoding, video decoding. Those two things that you see here, this is the streaming power that it needs right now for the stream, which is 1080p, 60 hertz, 60 FPS. So it's almost at 0. So it isn't really necessary. Graphic cards, GeForce graphic cards, NVIDIA graphic cards, they can do that. Like, it's... they can do that. Yeah, I was looking for one because of... not for the capture card. You mean for the graphics card. Oh, you mean for the graphics card, not capture card. Capture card, graphics card, two different components, sorry. For the graphics card, no, I did not. Let me check. The problem is I wouldn't know which one to get there, probably. Oh, no, I did. I did check Amazon. Of course I did. The problem on Amazon is... no, it's not available. You could get some, but it's already in a PC. You can only get pre-built PCs. Maybe I'll get a pre-built PC. If I upgrade anything anyway. But no, it's not on there. It's not available. No, my background. This is just my green screen. I'm not in class. This is just green screen stuff. Yeah. In reality, I'm in a big hall. I'm actually in a big cave. That's why if I yell into the cave... Echo! Echo! Yeah, but that only happens if I yell that way, right? So if I just face you, and it won't happen. That's how echo works, right? Echo! See? That's how it works. Please do not eat bats. I would not. I actually would. Why wouldn't I? GTX 1660 6G. What is that? That's not the one I want. No, it's Ali. Definitely not a special effect. No. How do you? No special effect. How would I do such a special effect? Come on. There is no possibility I would pull off such a special effect out of nowhere. How could I? Like, literally, it has no way. Why wouldn't I eat bats? I would eat, like, everything. I would test it. No, of course, now, under clean conditions, don't get me wrong. Under clean and tested conditions. I would just eat it randomly on the streets. No. Yeah, there's no way. I have to be in a cave. Oh, he's standing on the ground now, kind of. Good enough. GeForce RTX 3080. It's like 10 times as strong as the one you posted. Probably, I don't know. Okay, that works. And now he should also walk away, and he should not go into the ground. I could put him down a little bit more, but that's okay. Oh yeah, animation. I turned off the animation. That looks stupid. Good. Okay. That's done. That's done on the animation. Boink. Don't put COVID 30. That's why. You can do everything, basically. If it's tested, if it's legal, if it's in, like, regulations, I would do a lot of things. If it's in regulations. And if it's tested and... yeah. Like, for example, with the... what is it? With the vaccine that's going on now. I would take it. Like, that's tested. That's lab tested. That's fine. I would do it. I would test. I would be... it's still not long-term tested. Of course, it can't be. It's pretty new. But if it's tested, if it's fine, sure. Why? Why not? I'm eating a cow. Why is that different to? Don't do it. I would. Like, I trust people. I trust the people that have tons of. Probably made tons of people impotent. I don't know. That's the thing. I trust the. What is it called? The experts, the scientists. Before doing it, I would read articles and stuff, of course, but I wouldn't like. No, I I trust science pretty much. That's what I would do before vaccinating, of course. But first of all, I trust the scientists. That's a 3090, King Brody. That's a 3090. That is kind of out of my price range. Of course, then there's the immunity curve and stuff. I trust science. But first, don't do something untested. That's the thing. I can say now, I actually know. Hey, Fate Luxa. Hey, on Twitch. Hey. I know there's no 3080s. That's what I'm saying, King Broly. They are not available. There's a whole lot. There's a whole lot to it. They're not available. And that's exactly why I should read about it first before doing anything. I know more people that took the vaccine now than I know people that have actually suffered the disease, which is pretty strange, actually. Oh, yeah, that's a different. But that's a whole different topic. That's a whole different topic that we're opening there. The thing is, I think everyone should just do what feels best for them. Don't let. And no one's forcing you to do anything. That's the thing. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. If it's tested, why wouldn't? What's the difference between a Russian and the US American one? Probably the US American one is worse than the Russian one. I don't know. I don't trust. I don't. Yeah, informing yourself, not rushing into something. But it's not available here anyway. I can't just go out and get it. It's gonna take, as I said earlier, it's probably first. It's in summertime. Chinese vaccine. Most things that we use is almost everything that we use nowadays is Chinese somehow. Even if it says produced in Germany or something, it's still Chinese most of the time. Which isn't the worst because of regulations. If the regulations are kept and stuff, there's a whole. Okay, story time. Now that we're talking about it, story time. I can't say too much, but I can say some things about it. Let's phrase it. I'm rephrasing it a bit, but the story's still the same. I know some people, or maybe I've heard, definitely not me, that have been with a huge car manufacturer somewhere nearby. I don't know where exactly, but a huge car manufacturer, and they're building motorcycles, and they had millions and millions of damages the last 3 or 4 years ago. Millions and millions of damages because they were producing in China. Some parts of the motors were produced in China. They were fine for Chinese regulations and stuff, and they were like, yeah, we're just gonna produce those here. They work fine in our motorcycles. They're fine. We tested it. It's fine on the streets. It works. Motorcycle runs fine. And then they produced thousands of motor blocks, basically. And shipping them to Germany. And here in Germany, they got tested, and the quality was it was okay quality, but it was nothing you should put in a motorcycle. It was so bad. And it was such a huge thing. I don't know if it made a press or anything, but it was millions of damages because just they did not stick to the regulations, even though it was in the contract. So the Chinese, they had to reproduce. For them, it was fine. They were like, yeah, this is fine for me. This is okay. We tested it. Not by what the contracts and so said. That's why I'm saying you're right. You should check first on the sources. You shouldn't just blindly trust anything. And that's what I do. I usually don't trust anything. Always inform yourself. Yeah. And that's what I'm doing most of the time. Sometimes it does matter, but most of the time. For example, wearing a mask. I don't know. I have not read anything about it. I just wear it. It doesn't make a stupid difference if I wear it. I just put it on. What does anyone have to, like, why wouldn't I? Just why wouldn't I? I just put it on. It doesn't even annoy me. The only thing, it fogs my glasses. That's it. It fogs my glasses. If it's lies, I still wear it. It doesn't hurt. I don't care. It just doesn't hurt. Okay, good. Sorry. Now rant is over. We're here programming. I've met enough Chinese to know that they are also doing great jobs. I know plenty Chinese. But I also know enough China enough. I've been there. I know China enough to not trust everything that's going on. That's also true. Everyone's invading your emails. Everyone is. That's not a Chinese thing. Everyone is. So just be careful what you're doing. So okay, story time over. Not gonna go story time now. I use mask only to not be beaten. And if that's it, yeah, sure, then that's it. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I also do just because it's the law. I don't understand them, but some I just do because it's the law. And also, again, there's good cops, there's bad cops. It's not easy. The world is not easy. The world is such a difficult and very, very complex place. So difficult. Okay. Back to the topic. We're programming here. Just use a 2080. No, I don't want a 2080. 2080, I calculated. I've investigated on that topic. I know what I want. I know what I need. I know price and quality and all that, price performance ratings and stuff. I know what I want. It's just not available. I know what I'm doing. I'm using a 1080, which is almost as strong as the 2080. So upgrading to a 2080 makes no sense at all. A 3080 is almost twice as powerful as my graphics card that I'm using right now. So that would make sense. Okay, good. Super Hashboy asked something about the game. Thank you, Super Hashboy. Before something like a horror game tutorial video might be released, that's a good question. Sometime. I actually planned to. I plan it like every week. I plan doing it. Every week I plan doing it. Tony Hall, expert YouTube, Facebook. There's barely any YouTube and Facebook's experts. Oh yeah, I know. They get banned. Like even just talking about COVID, like I just said what I do with COVID, so that's fine. But even talking about it can get you banned from YouTube. It's pretty strange. It's an important topic that needs to be talked about, but there's people that deny it. There's people that say everything that is in the media is correct. There's something in between. There's something in between. So I am not an expert, so I can't say anything about it. But I can trust the experts. If there's 100 experts that say, "Hey, that's good," I'm gonna trust them. What about the 4000? There's no 4000. The 30 series just came out like not even half a year ago. Yeah, that's why. That's why. Like misleading and false knowledge and stuff. I don't want to do it. That's why. Just read, guys. Just read. Trust your sources. Also, the laws can be wrong. Police can be wrong. Politicians can be wrong. Use the right media to go against it. There's always some media to do. Like, use the right means. Don't be stupid. That's the thing. Everyone can be wrong. Except me. I'm perfect. This guy. Just look at him. Perfect. Can't be wrong. Never has been wrong. Not at all. Not a single time. Never ever. Never ever been wrong. And I'm wrong about everything, basically. Even Google has my birthday wrong. Because I put a wrong date as my birthday on my Google account. Google has my birthday wrong. I'm even wrong with my own birthday. God damn it. Everyone's wrong at times. Everyone is. Life is complicated. Let's get back in the game here. Good. What did we want to do? I thought you were a god. No, definitely not. No, I'm just a person. I'm not even anything special, I would say. I don't know. There's topics that I know a lot about. There's topics that I don't know shit about. Life's complicated. No, I'm not. I'm not good at philosophy. I'm just not saying yes to anything. I'm a critic. I'm like a critical thinker. That's it. GeForce graphics cards series, blah. I cannot just order something from the US website, and they probably have scammers and stuff. Let me check that because that's really interesting for me. Yeah, I can. They don't deliver to me. And they are also sold out. I have that website even in my short things there somewhere. It says just here. Derzeit nicht verfügbar. It's not available. King Broly, you can search. You're also gonna find stuff, but it's not there. It's just not there. You made the wrong thing once, now aliens invaded. Oh, yeah, okay. Do you think with that, Ali? It might be. I'm not even saying it could be that we're living in the Matrix or something. The thing is, what difference does it make? I'm just doing my thing. If it makes a difference, I don't. Maybe we live in some Matrix kind of thing, but I don't know. There's no difference for me. Yeah, it might be that. It might be. But I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know. Okay. So, we've got David. David's going over there. Let's get another animation for David in. Of course it will affect people. It won't affect me. That's the thing. Am I Neo? No, I'm not Neo. I would love to be. I know, Anagram for the one. Yeah, I always find that very, very cool. Let's give him some other idle. And now it's really... you got me distracted. I can't really concentrate on programming. Let's give him some nicer animations. When he's standing around, because right now he's like... I don't like that, actually. Let's give him some nice standing around idle animation. Man idle. How does that look? PCS7 Neo. Yeah, that's the thing. PCS7 Neo, that's no. Breathing idle. He's just standing there, right? Warrior idle. Hell yeah. Yeah, I also have to do some research on... Because you said sexy, YouTube actually blocked your comment. But yeah. I cannot, like, the model is fixed. I cannot change it. I cannot change the model. That's what we get. I cannot change the clothing. The clothing belongs to the model. Sad idle. Oh, sad. Oh, you sad. Oh, oh. For saying sexy, yeah, I know. It's strange. And now it didn't block it. I don't know. I think that's the one he's using right now. Which makes sense in the apartment, but not so much outside. I think I want to take this one now. Yeah. Program a dab? Can I? Is that a dab, maybe? We've got silly dancing. We don't have a dab. Yeah, I can definitely add something like this, but not now. Breakdance. Closing. You can add so many animations. I love this website. And it's all free. That's so amazing. I could make a dab. Like animations I can still make. Oh, democracy. I can probably talk about democracy. I don't know. I have skipped through the TOS or TOU. I don't know what the word is. But don't know everything by heart, of course. I'm in real life. I'm not a very talkative person. Always depends who I'm talking to and about what. And if I'm in a group, if there's a group like with more than 5 persons or more than 3 persons, I don't talk. That one's okay. Why is he leaning back so much? Can you please not lean back that much? Can you lean back even less, please? Posture, that's one. Oh yeah, not so slouchy. I mean, that one is okay. Yeah, that's his idol. I like this one. He's just standing there like this, like nothing happened. That's okay. Yeah, nowadays you can't talk about anything anymore. Everything is censored. I don't like it. I don't like the way it's going. Everything is nowadays, censorship is so strong. We're heading to into an age where everything is censored. You cannot even share knowledge without censoring. But on the other hand, there's so many people that just talk stupid shit. And on the internet, some people take it for granted. Even if you have no idea what you're doing, they don't like to think, so they take everything you say for granted. So some censorship is okay, but where do you draw the line? It's like, where do we start censorship? It's impossible actually. And I'm glad that I don't have to decide that. Alex Jones? I don't know who Alex Jones is. No, not referring to that person. No, it's not because of Hitler. No. You like trees and the ground and the game. Thank you, Super Hashboy. Thank you. You can download the demo. I don't know if you know, but you can download the demo. You probably know. If you're here, you probably know. Idle, neutral idle. Maybe that's even how you got here. I don't know. Let's give him the neutral idle. There we go. Where's the link? I can give you the link in a second. Now you should be neutral idling. Yeah, it's way better. I like this way better. Hi, Yassine. Hi. Wait. Let me search for the link for the demo. But the demo is really not that strong. Here you go. There's the demo, I think. Wait, there. Node-RED? What is Node-RED? I don't even know. I'm not really following any news or something lately. I don't know what Node-RED is. Sorry. Good. Now he's got the better standing animation, and then we're going to the first point. Sorry, now back to the game. Come on, what is Node-RED? Maybe I've heard about it. Node-RED. Programming tool for wiring together hardware devices, APIs. I have not worked with it. I'm sorry. Gomen nasai. War always helps. Yeah, I think war helps. Not war per se. No, let me rephrase. If someone wants to quote me on that, don't. I've never said that. Let me rephrase. I don't think war helps. I think the preparation for war helps. There's so much science. There's so much money flowing into and resources flowing into the preparation, into research. So many inventions we have, so many quality of life things we have in reality have only been developed because of war, because wanting to be the strongest. Like all LED, all semiconductor technologies, they only exist because they were pushed before wars. It's incredible. Of course, war is shit. I hate war, as everyone. But the preparation, like being prepared and putting so much science in it, it wouldn't happen if there wouldn't be, like, that's competition on a nationwide between countries. That helps. Because war is shit. CNC was developed because of World War II. For example, yeah. We went to the moon because of the Cold War. Kind of, it's linked there. So many things just happened because, yeah. But I'm not smart enough. I'm not an expert on the topic. I had in history in school, I had a C. I think C, yeah. History was one of my worst topics. And fun fact. Fun fact about me. My history teacher from my A levels, so from grade, I think 8 to 13, I had the same history teacher. And she is... I mean, I'm not married yet, so it's not 100% true, but kind of. She is now in, like that history teacher that had me, that was, like, she was stuck with me for that many years, and I'm really a bad student if it comes to something I don't care about. She's now part of my family, because she's the aunt of my fiance. So I see her every once in a while, and we talk, like in our, like, in class, I was a little shitbag, so yeah, of course. But now we actually get well. Like we get well together. It's fine. We can talk about everything now. That's pretty funny. But yeah, you always see each other twice in a lifetime, at least. That's pretty fun. Fun fact about me, but that's it. I won't say anything else about my private life. Won't. If I would create a religion, I won't create a religion. That's it. That's the thing. I won't create a religion. Okay, that's Jessica. Let's get... How long has it since I actually made something here in the game? It's been long, hasn't it? More links. No, I want to concentrate on doing this. I'm only going to continue for like 10 minutes. So I want to continue. I actually at least want to do some more things. I'm sorry, but story time is over. Okay, got that. Okay. I was just thinking about some stuff here that we need to do. For example, this. Node-RED? No, I have never used Node-RED. No. If the nav mesh has a path pending, that means if we need to go somewhere right now, if the character is moving, it's going to check the remaining distance to the target, right? To the target. That's what this means. And if the remaining distance to the target is that and that, then we're going to do something else, right? If the remaining distance to the target waypoint 0, that's the one that we have right now. So that's the first waypoint that we go. Because the following, right now it won't change anything, so I will leave it as it is. I will show you what the problem is. I don't know if that's really true. I don't know with the God religion stuff. Again, very difficult topic, to which I can say even less than to the vaccine stuff and stuff. Very, very difficult topics that people have been fighting about for centuries and millennia. So where is David? There is David. Right now he's facing us, right? Right now David is facing us. We can talk to him and then he's going away. I don't use a broker at all. I mean, right now I'm just teaching, so I don't need it. So, So now he's running, he's facing the thing, he's running, and he's... that's a problem. He's always facing the target. Even if he changes direction, that's something I actually want to change immediately. So the face target, that is shit. That face target should only happen if there is no path pending. Oh, no, that's great. What? No, that's wrong. Wait. Let me just check something. On cloud integration, I always thought about doing that. With the Siemens business, I always thought about making cloud interaction. Especially with the, what's it called, MindSphere. The thing is, it's freaking expensive. It is extremely expensive. Just to have a link up there and stuff. I couldn't get, like, I couldn't do that. Is he still facing me? Okay, he's facing me. If there's no path pending, he's facing me. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Right now he's facing me. That means boinkus. That's the right thing here. I should have just checked. I should have just checked the other thing that I wanted to check right now. Guys, just write that I'm stupid. Write it in the chat. Tell me I'm stupid. How stupid I am. Right now. Tell me how stupid I am right now in the chat. Oh, goddammit, I clicked, double clicked. What do you mean personal info? You share whatever you want to share. If it's legal, and if I say it's okay. Yeah, it's always getting weird and dangerous. That's why I rarely share anything. There we go. I'm very sorry. Oh no. I said you should tell me how stupid I am. Okay, here we go. Where is the thing? I should just put my spawn point here. Hey there. Oh, look in the camera. Look at how ugly you are. Okay, he's facing me. Because he doesn't have a path pending. I'm very stupid. Thank you, King Broly. Thank you. I'm very stupid for forgetting the stuff there. String theory? I'm not a physicist. I don't know. Not much. I'm not thinking about it at all. How about that? Why is your animation broken? Why is your... Oh, I know why. Okay. Look at him jogging. And yeah, now he's really animating in the right way. So if he avoids a target, he's actually avoiding it also in the animation. He wasn't doing that before. He still isn't, I think. Stupid bitch. Is he? Isn't he? I don't know. I'm not physicist enough to talk about string theory and that stuff. I mean, it could work. Does it work? I don't need that face top. Multiverse theory. So if he is at his target, okay, if he is at his target, he is going to stop automatically. And he will then continue facing us. Target is equal to the player. Do we have the player in here? No. Let me link the player to him. Do that with Jessica. Do we have the player in here? No. She's facing us, isn't she? Oh, she's not. Okay, interesting. Ah, interesting. Lesbian prison stories? What is going on now in the chat? Now you've gone crazy. Let me just quickly do something that is stupid, but that's okay. Do I have like a player script? Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Player dot instance dot game object dot transform. Is that it? Yeah. Transform target. What? How does he face us? Why is he? What? Is it because it is in the? Is it what? Is it in the? Is it in the artificial intelligence that I put it in there? It's got to be somewhere. No, where is it? Target. Oh, it's the target. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Okay, that's why. Wow, that shocked me for a second that worked. It shouldn't have, and then it worked, and then it blew my mind. Yeah, I know, I'm not all-knowing. I know, I'm sorry. Okay. There he is. He's not facing us anymore, which doesn't make sense, does it? Is a path in the process of being computed, but not ready yet? Is a path. I'm just trying to make out that. Because English is not my first language, I sometimes have to translate stuff in my head. 1 second. What does not ready yet mean? And he's not moving yet, you mean? Is something selected? Like, is... Okay. Carl Sagan. Okay, I will just leave it like this. What else does a nav mesh actually have? No. Nav mesh dot stopping distance, tag, update position. What do we have? Acceleration, angular mask, auto braking, auto repath, base offset, avoidance priority, current mesh off link data, desired velocity, destination, enabled. Destination, is that what I think it is? Gets or attempts to set the destination of the agent. Make sense? Has path. Sure. Is active and enabled? Yeah, sure. Is on nav mesh? Yeah. Is path stale? Is stopped. Oh, is stop is getting and setting. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm trying to concentrate here. Because I really don't use Facebook or LinkedIn, I have to use it more. I know. I have to use it more, but I don't. I'm sorry. I gotta work this a little bit more. I gotta change this a little bit. No, if I need to concentrate, I'm just saying I'm not reading chat. You're not distracting me if I don't choose you. If I don't choose to be distracted. But I think because now I need to do some coding as well, and I don't really want to get into the coding too much right now because I need to think. You see how much I think while I try to code, because it's a new topic for me as well. Or not new, but a topic that I haven't used too much, that I haven't done too much as well. So I need to do more on that. For the shadow dude, let me see. freesounds.org. I don't want to because it's under license. It's got a license, so I don't want it. It's attribution license. I don't want to attribute anyone. Yeah, now he's walking stupid again because of the face target thing. He's walking not straight. Animation is broken now. I gotta figure out how to do this properly, but I will do that off stream, or maybe I'll do it the next stream. But now I've been here 2 hours and it's getting complex. And my brain is like, nah, you're done for the day, boy. He should still be facing me then, right? Yeah. Love how he's still running. Idiot. Yeah. So I will save now. I will call it a day with Unity. Let me listen to the sound. That's a good one. Use it if you want, but credit would be appreciated. He says appreciated, but then it says this work is under licensed under. That makes sense. He licenses. I know it was it's a good sound. He licensed it, but he didn't. He says it's not licensed. That is a dick move. Yeah. Okay. Here's what I will do, because I haven't done it in ages. I don't know if you want to join in on it for the last. We will do 1 or 2 rounds. We will do 1 or 2 rounds of the following. Nah. I don't. I really feel like it. I'm right. I don't really feel like it, so I won't do it. I'm pretty tired. I will get some rest now. I will think about God and the world, like we did the string theory, vaccination, whatever we talked about today. I will think about it. No, I won't. I probably won't. Maybe a little bit. But I'm gonna take a rest, and so should you. So should you. I will be back streaming Friday, right? Tuesday, Friday, Sunday. That's what I usually do these days. I am thankful that you joined me today. There was a lot in the text. There was a lot in the chat. So great. Thank you. Thank you for keeping me company. I love it. Woo! Yeah, hi Rox. You're too late. I'm sorry. Next time. You'll catch me next time. I'm sorry. Stay safe out there. Stay healthy. It doesn't matter if an audio was used 2,000 times. It says attribution license. It says that right there. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you next time around. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.